Hi, I'm Lisa Satin with Satin Crystals, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite type of rose quartz, the Star Madagascar Rose. Rose quartz is the crystal of true love. The Star Madagascar has a really nice phenomenon called an asterism. Now when I move the light around, you can see that these star rose quartz spheres have a line, and those lines will dance along with the light. There are many types of star rose. On the left is a nice pink piece, in the center a rare white rose, and on the right a smoky rose. Each piece is unique, and the nice opalescent quality allows you to see rainbows and inclusions within. Please visit Satin Crystals' online store to see more pieces and learn more about rose quartz and other crystals. Thank you very much.